How to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can delete all the reposts on TikTok at once. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. After that, head to your profile in order to find your repost. So tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you land on your profile, tap on the repost icon in order to get to your repost section. So once you are here, if you see, there you will not find any option to delete all your reposts at once. So unfortunately, TikTok does not have that built-in feature. However, you can delete one by one manually. So once you're here, you have to select the video that you would like to remove from your repost section or that you would like to delete. Tap on it. Then tap on the share icon at the bottom right. And there's an option as remove repost. Tap on it. Now if you go back, there you can see the video has been removed. So you have to repeat this for all of your reposts and all the reposts will be deleted. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.